Hi, I know I'm a bit late with my thoughts on the LookFantastic Advent calendar. I sat on Monday in front of the camera with a million things to say, but the words just wouldn't come when I switched on the camera and, the camera that my granddad bought for me. My granddad passed away on July 9th and, August 9th, exactly 1 month. I wasn't in any shape to film. The sort of high wouldn't turn up. So I'm sorry I'm late. I decided to take the next, 24 hours off for, some reflection, for some me time. Not one day in my life had gone without speaking to Gramps, and suddenly there's a whole month of no speaking to Gramps, and you realize that it's permanent, that you can never speak to that person again, and that's when it hits you hard, particularly for somebody who's never faced loss before. Sorry for dumping all this on you lot. Anyway, LookFantastic's Advent calendar. This year the price is £95 for non-subscribers and £80 for subscribers. Last year it was £80 for subscribers and £75 for non-subscribers. So there is a £15 increase there as well. As usual, there is a coupon code for Beauty Box subscribers. So the Beauty Box subscribers get £15 off. It seems to me that the only Advent calendar where there is no price increase, multi-brand, is Selfridges. Yeah, more on that another time. Anyway, this calendar is up for pre-order on September 1st from the LookFantastic website, and those who are not on the wait list can order it from October 1st, which is when shipping begins, which is when the actual sale starts, not pre-order. Apparently the worth is more than £500. LookFantastic was the OG beauty advent calendar, it along with Liberty, one of the earliest there. It was my favorite. I bought it for 4 years in a row and then stopped. Of one thing we can be sure, if it is a LookFantastic beauty advent calendar. Now, there will be an Avant product. The calendar itself looks like that, and it's titled The Beauty Story, and it contains a mix of regular brands as well as indie brands. So there are 26 products actually in this advent calendar. I actually like the look of this year's advent calendar more than last year's, the design that is. The last design that I quite liked, I think, was the 2018. After that, I really loved the LookFantastic design. The best one, of course, was that Alice in Wonderland advent calendar from 2017. That is this one. I know it looks like that from the front, but it opens out to a lovely Alice in Wonderland theme. And I don't think LookFantastic produced an advent calendar that's remotely as good, not just in terms of design, but also in terms of contents. And this is beautiful. It basically pops out like that to form a little vanity there with drawers and everything. And I use it to store makeup brushes. So yeah, just a bit of nostalgia from 4 years ago there. So this year's advent calendar, what is inside? Let's look at the contents straight away. The first product, Rituals Ayurveda Reed Diffuser, which comes in different sizes. You get the smaller size, which retails at £16.50. So we will count that in the total, yeah? The next product, Drunk Elephant Protini Polypeptide Cream. Full size is 50 mils. We get 5 mils, not even 15. So not going to count that at all. The next product is indeed full-sized. Iconic London Triple Threat Mascara, 9 mils is what you get, which retails at £20. The next product is an indie brand named Demi Candle. It is founded by a Manchester-based mother of two. These are handcrafted candles, and you get 2 different variations. Quite fancy candles there. You get deluxe sizes. You don't get full-sized candles in this advent calendar, so not going to count. The next product is a Beauty Pro Warming Eye Mask, full size. Yeah, basically it's one of those masks that you pop on when you're sleeping. It retails at £2.95. These masks always make me raise an eyebrow because what full size are supposed to what? A patch that covers just the one eye. The next product is from We Are Paradoxx. It is a 3-in-1 hair repair. You get 50 mils. Now, full size is a whopping 975 mils, which retails at £49.50, so we're not going to count that either. The next is the By Terry Mini Hydra-Pressed powder, obviously a mini. This does have a standalone retail value of £18, but full size is £40. We're not going to count that. I will count the standalone retail value in round 2 after finishing the full sizes, so stay tuned. The next product, also full size, is from Revolution Beauty. Satin Kiss Lipstick in the shade Ruby, full size, retailing at £5. Quite festive, you know that shade, yeah? The next product, also from Revolution Beauty, Pout Balm Gloss in the shade Glaze, full size, retailing at £5. So 2 Revolution products. So far we have 3 makeup items, an iconic London mascara and 2 Revolution lipsticks. The next product is the Aroma Active Repair Cream, 15ml you get, full size is 100ml, not going to count that. The next product is from Rodial. It is a vitamin C brightening mask, 20ml you get, full size is 50ml, but this 20ml does retail at £34, so I will count it in round 2, yeah? The next product though is proper full size. It is the Christophe Purifying Cleansing Scrub with Sea Salt. You get all 250ml giant jar there, which retails at £42. The next product is the Elemis Pro Collagen Cleansing Bar. You only get 20 grams. Full size is 100 grams. So not going to count this either. There are 3 things certain in life: death, taxes, and getting an Avant product in a LookFantastic advent calendar. Indeed, the next product is from Avant. It is a Velvet Rose Sugar Lip Scrub, 10ml, full size, retailing at £58. Is Lush listening? Sorry. Avant makes me laugh. There was a bit of a... in previous LookFantastic Advent calendar videos, I have talked a bit about Avant. And there was also a discussion. You know, Avant, we all concluded, you lot, those who commented, those who came in with more information, those who found information from Reddit and other Facebook discussion groups and discussion threads and, you know, various bulletin boards and things, information was collated from everywhere. And it was concluded that Avant seemed quite dodgy and appeared in beauty boxes, appeared to sort of hike up the value of those boxes. You know, mostly, rather than, you know, being very unique products and things. So that was the discussion that has happened on this channel in the past. So Avant is a brand that makes me laugh, sorry. Even if this is a lip scrub. Look, a lip scrub at £58. We're talking full-size moisturizer price here, people, not 10ml lip scrub. Anyway, the next product is from Sachajuan. It is a hair repair mask. You get 30ml, full size is 100ml, which retails at £16, so not going to count that either. The next product is West One Co. That is home to soap brows. You get the West One Co. Brow Jelly, which is a brow styling product, which is full size, retailing at £15. The next product is a black eyeliner, thankfully not Ico. Everybody start cheering, please. It's not Ico, it is Inica. You get the black eye pencil, full size, £21. Sorry, I'm actually quite impressed that there's no Ico so far in any of the advent calendars we've seen. But yeah, wait, patience. I'm sure it will turn up somewhere. The next product is from Emma Hardy, Plump and Glow Mist. Full size is 90ml, but you only get a deluxe size, so not going to count that either. Next, you have the Philip Kingsley Elasticizer. 20ml you get, full size is 150ml, not going to count it either. Next, you have a bespoke 2-pan eyeshadow palette from Luvia. Now, usually you get 8 and 12 eyeshadow palettes from this very same brand, so I feel this is a bit mingy. You know, they should have sent out at least a quad. We've seen quads and, you know, 8-pan palettes and 6-pan palettes in LookFantastic before, including brow palettes, you know, HD brows and so on. I don't get why you're just sending out a 2-pan duo, eyeshadow duo. Surely a quad at least is better, you know, for the price being charged. I feel this is a bit mingy. The next product is a Zelens T-Shot Urban Defense Serum. You get 10ml, full size is 30ml, retailing at £85. This does have a standalone retail value of £35, so I will count this in round 2. The next product is everybody's favorite. No, it is not a jade roller. It is the next best thing. It is a Gua Sha Stone. Disciple Gua Sha Stone. You get the obsidian one, which retails at £25. Oh my god, how exciting, eh? The next product is from First Aid Beauty, KP Body Scrub. 226ml is full size. You only get the deluxe version. Not going to count this either. Next is another full size product, this time from Espa, the Optimal Skin Pro Moisturizer. 55 ml you get retailing at £50 will indeed count that. The next product is from The Ordinary. It is the Mandelic Acid. 30 ml you get indeed full size retailing at £6.90. I don't love The Ordinary's Mandelic Acid. I prefer the Biowish Trend Mandelic Acid. Now I don't use any acid because my skin falls off, even without acids. Lastly, you have PMD Clean Facial Cleansing Device. You get the mini version, which retails at £59. Yeah, that actually looks like... No. I wasn't going to say what you thought I was. It looks like the old Foreo Luna Mini with a handle. It is a silicone cleansing brush, people. Cleansing devices and cleansing brushes are all very well if you don't have damaged skin or skin that is very susceptible to damage, or acne prone skin, or peeling skin or dry skin, any kind of non-normal, non-cast iron skin, really. This is somebody who owns at least half a dozen Foreo Luna Mini Plays and 2 full-size Foreo Luna Minis, one of which I painstakingly bought, paying a enormous amount of money for it. I also have a Clarisonic, which I liked using with the Cashmere Luxe brush before my skin went completely bonkers. Then I also have a couple of other brands, cleansing brushes. Cleansing brushes are not necessary. My derm has pretty much banned them for me. Just gentle cleansing with your hands, more than enough, people. You don't need devices, they're only going to damage the skin. So yeah, I'm not excited about this product either. Before anything else, if you disagree with this, that's fine. If you think this is a great calendar, if you want to buy it, don't let me be a killjoy. Don't listen to me. This is just my opinion. This is very subjective. It's based on what I need, what I like receiving, what I like buying. If you like spending your money on these things, don't let me stop you. By all means, go right ahead. I wish you joy in your advent calendar buying, and I hope you enjoy the contents. So there are 13 full sizes in this advent calendar, which is a very decent number, 13 full sizes. My problem here is the makeup, or the lack of it thereof. You've got one eyeliner pencil, you've got a mascara, you've got 2 Revolution products, a gloss and a lipstick. Oh yeah, and then there's that mini setting powder, translucent, from Vitaria. Translucent setting powder isn't exactly the most exciting makeup product out there, is it? And you have an eyeshadow duo and a brow jelly. Where's the exciting makeup? Where's the exciting makeup in this advent calendar? That's one thing. Second thing, gua sha stone and cleansing device. Yeah, it's a bit gimmicky to me. This is not the best LookFantastic calendar we've had. In fact, I would go so far as to say this is the worst. Why? No exciting makeup. The sort of big ticket products, yeah, the big ticket items. Christophe Robin scalp scrub. That's your big ticket item. The other big ticket item is the Espa moisturizer. Alright, fine. Espa moisturizer I can take. But your other big ticket, your big product, your biggest product, Christophe Robin scalp scrub. Come on, why not at least send us that lovely prickly pear hair mask from Christophe Robin, So far I've previewed or shared my thoughts on 3 different advent calendars. Fortnum & Mason, Cult Beauty, and this one. And this is the one that I'm least excited about. Why? A gua sha stone. B, you get a 2-pound palette and Revolution lippy, and scalp scrub. And that cleansing device thing. There isn't anything that excites me at all in this advent calendar, at all. Yeah, there's a 10 ml Zelen serum. That's mainly it, So I feel that this curation is possibly LookFantastic's worst effort to date. And I don't know, I don't see this selling out. Anyway, let's do a price breakdown, because I'm sure the value at least is there. The Rituals Diffuser, $16.50. Iconic London Mascara, £20. Beauty Pro Eye Mask, £2.95. Revolution Lippy, £5. Revolution Gloss, £5. Oh dear, there's a lizard in the house. Sorry, nothing to do with the advent calendar. That gives you £49.45, those 5 products alone, yeah? Then you have the Christophe Robin Scalp Scrub, £42. The Avant Lip Scrub, £58. So that gives you £149, 45 pence. And then you have that pot of brow jelly, £15. Inica Black Eyeliner, eye pencil, £21. So that gives you £185, 45. And then you have The Gua Sha Stone, everybody's favorite product, £25. And then you have the ordinary mandelic acid, £6.90. That cleansing device, £59. That gives you 276.35. And that spa moisturizer, which seems to be the big ticket item in this advent calendar, £50. That gives you 326.35. So 13 full sizes, £326.35. So the value is there. I would say buy this only if you absolutely love the products inside and feel that you can get, or you need, or you are going to buy that spa moisturizer, the mandelic acid, the sea scrub, the scalp scrub, and the iconic London mascara anyway. So if you were going to buy these products anyway, then this calendar will be worth it for you. Otherwise, I don't really see it being worth that price, you know. Let's look at the standalone retail prices, people. The Zellen's T-shirt serum 10 mils, that's 35 quid, so that gives you 361.35. The Rodial vitamin C brightening mask is £34. That gives you 395.35. And then you have the By Terry mini Hydra-Pressed powder, that gives you 413.35. So all the standalone retail, you know, items and the full sizes together come up to 413.95. You only pay 95 for the calendar. It's just that this isn't exciting for me. So the good, the bad, and the ugly for me. The good, the design looks alright. The spa moisturizer is liked by a lot of people. It's not enough for me. I need pure petrolatum right now. What else can I possibly find that is good about this advent calendar? Oh my god. Yeah, there's indie brands. I'm glad to see indie brands in an advent calendar. Demi Candle, West, Avant, Go. Good. More indie brands need to appear in advent calendars. The bad. Oh dear, where do I start? Price increase. Where's the makeup? Where's the exciting things? That's actually ugly, right? The ugly. The bad and the ugly. Yeah, it's all ugly. The Gua Sha Stone. I'm not feeling this calendar. £2 eyeshadow palette. How generous. Eyeshadow palette. £2. So generous, isn't it? So many things that are ugly about this. Will I buy this advent calendar? If you have to ask that question, you clearly haven't watched this video. 1 second. Listen. An upcoming advent calendar, Selfridges, has vitamins, Barbara Sturm and Augustinus Beta, and I still think it's better than LookFantastic. Right? I think Selfridges is better than LookFantastic, despite Beta, Barbara Sturm, and Hum supplements. I feel that, you know, rather than a Gua Sha Stone, I'll even take vitamins, you know. Last year, LookFantastic included a mini orgasm blush NARS in their advent calendar. I feel that that would be even more exciting than a Gua Sha Stone. I'll take a NARS mini orgasm over a Gua Sha. You know, all those years of going on and on and on about a NARS mini orgasm blush, and suddenly Gua Sha Stones are appearing, and I prefer a NARS mini orgasm blush. Last year there was a bubble tea bath bomb, a Diego Dalla Palma eyeliner, and iconic London highlighter, and the Delilah lip liner, and NARS mini orgasm blush, all of which by themselves I would find completely underwhelming, but compared to this year's calendar, it actually sounds better. I don't get how this can be priced at £95 for non-subscribers. £95. I don't even have wallets. I think I'll wind up, because this calendar is actually depressing me even further. And goodness knows I'm, you know, grieving to begin with. And Gua Sha Stones and £2 eyeshadow palettes and Avant and diffusers and a bunch of minis and a scalp scrub, which is your full-sized big ticket product. So that's an advent calendar, according to LookFantastic, clearly. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I'm sorry this is so negative, but I can't find anything to cheer about in this advent calendar. I'm sorry. So as I said, if you like this calendar, by all means go right ahead. Don't listen to my me being a negative Nancy here. Possibly my opinion has been tempered by all the grief and bereavement that I faced. It's a month since I lost my grandfather, and yeah, I haven't recovered. It is the first big loss that I've faced in my life. So please do bear with my being negative. If you like this calendar, go right ahead. You might love it. Go on. No problem. I'm happy for you. I'm happy you like it. And I wish you the best, and I hope you enjoy your products. So thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell. And I'll speak to you soon.